business. Today, when I go back in, I hope I see some leadership and a thriving salon. How are you? How are you doing? Good. Yeah, it was really good. What's the name of it? I'm great. I'm very happy to see you're still here.
The burden on it has been lifted up.
Over there.
Mainly now with the finances and people in the room. No one is doing good.
I think we're just going ahead in the right direction, and we've been busy, and all of us have been stepping up. It isn't a me mentality anymore.
I'm very happy, like the corona show is doing much better, as you can see. My clients love the changes. They actually love that we have a receptionist in the front, so they feel more welcome. I would say that this is the best experience that happened in my life.
It's been great. Thank you.
Wow, I know. I'm kind of...
Oh, the squirrels.
Chihuahua, maybe, or something.
Probably hiding somewhere.
When we have a meeting, we just go, she start like, blah, 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 say like, make you remember what Tabitha said?
Tell me about Denise. Did you hear?
I think she called me just last week.
Okay.